Hey fam, and welcome back to Tari's Lifestyle and Vlog, and thank you so much for stopping by. So in today's video, we're talking about who is eligible for a UK spouse visa application. So who can apply for a UK spouse visa. But before I go on, my name is Tari, and on this channel we'll talk about UK visas and immigration. We'll talk about life in the UK, how to travel safely and successfully, and how to navigate through life as an immigrant living in the UK. If this sounds like something you're interested in, then please subscribe, turn on your bell icon so you don't miss out on any of my videos going forward. To my returning subscribers, thank you for always coming back to watch my videos. I appreciate every single one of you. So like I said before, today we're talking about who can apply for a UK spouse visa, okay? And that's what we're going to be talking about today. I've done some videos about UK spouse visa application, which I'm going to be linking around the video for you to have a look at. But in this specific video, I'll be talking about who can actually apply, who's eligible to apply for a UK spouse visa. Okay, so the first thing you need to know is that if you want to apply for a UK spouse visa, you and your spouse must be 18 years or over. Okay, so you must be 18 years or above. Yourself and your partner, your spouse, needs to be 18 years and over. Just to mention, a spouse visa is a kind of family visa for people that are married or people that are in civil partnership. Okay, I thought I'll just put that there for you. Okay, so to be able to apply for a spouse visa, like I said before, the first criteria is that you and your partner must be over 18. You must be able to show that you have a genuine relationship. Okay, so that's really important. If you're going to apply for a spouse visa, you must be able to prove that you and your spouse are in genuine relationship. Okay, so the third one is that you must be, your spouse, so the person that's in the UK, must be a British or Irish citizen, or they must have a settled status, or they must have a refugee status. So I'll read what the website actually says. So it says your partner must also either, so the person in the UK must be a British or Irish citizen, which I've mentioned, have settled status in the UK. For example, they have indefinite leave to remain, settled status, or proof of permanent residence. Okay, so 3, be from the EU, Switzerland, Norway, Iceland, or Liechtenstein, can't pronounce that for some reason, and have pre-settled status. They must have started living in the UK before 1st of January 2021. They must have, or 4, have a Turkish business person visa or Turkish worker visa, have protection status, leave to remain as a refugee, permission to stay as a refugee or a person with humanitarian protection, which is what I've mentioned as well. And you and your partner must intend to live together permanently in the UK after you apply. So these are just the categories of people and that can actually sponsor someone as a spouse in the UK. So if you're wanting to apply as a spouse, your partner, which is a person that lives in the UK, must be one of these categories that I've read out to you. There's also the need to prove your financial requirements. Okay, there's a financial requirement that you need to prove. You must be able to prove that you and your spouse meet the financial requirements, which is as of the 11th of April 2024 is 29,000. There's a lower threshold for this financial requirement, which means that you might be exempt from 29,000 if you meet certain criteria. Otherwise, you and your spouse must be able to show that you meet the financial requirement of 29,000. There's also other things that you can use, like savings of 16,000 and all of that, which I've done videos about, which I'll link in my video up here. Okay, so you need to be able to meet the financial requirements. You need to be able to meet the English language requirements as well. For an initial spouse visa application, the English language requirements you need to meet is A1, which is like the basic English language requirements. Okay, not the English language or IELTS test for academics or general. If you do those ones, that's not going to work. Okay, so you want to do the A1 for UK visa, UK VI application. Okay, so that's really important. You also want to make sure that you are able to prove that you have suitable accommodation for your spouse. So whoever is in the UK must be able to prove that they have suitable accommodation for you when you come to the UK, and they must be able to prove that you're going to stay together, that you want to stay together if you come to the UK, if you're granted a visa. If you're engaged, you should be able to apply for a fiancé visa and also be able to prove that you want to get married within the next 6 months. Okay, so these are just the criteria, some of the criteria that you need to meet if you're wanting to apply for a UK spouse visa. I hope this video has been helpful to someone. If it has helped you, give it a thumbs up, share with your friends and family, and of course subscribe to my channel if you haven't already done so. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you in my next video.